Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. This one is going to be a 500 rep challenge. Quite a few of you enjoyed the last one these I did, so thought I'd make another one. So basically the way it's going to work, I'm going to demonstrate all the exercises and tell you the amount of them you need to be doing. You can write them all down, they will be in the description below, so check them out down there as well. So you've got a long list of them. You'll know how to do the exercises. You're going to set a timer off and try and just do them as quickly as you can, okay? Make sure you get warmed up. While you're warming up, hit the subscribe button if you're new. If you enjoy this one, give it a thumbs up and comment down below on your time. Comment down below on how fast you managed to finish them all, okay? Once you know all that, let's get started with today's workout. Okay everyone, so 500 rep challenge, okay? We're gonna kick it off with some press ups, okay? So however you want to do your press ups, either on your toes or on your knees, okay? You're going down to your chest is level with your elbows and pressing back up. Whichever one you want to do, you're going to do 25 of those, okay? Then we're going to get the heart rate right up and we're going to do 25 burpees, okay? With your burpee, we're going chest to the floor, so we're going all the way down, pushing up, jump with a hop at the top, okay? If you want to take some of the jumping out of it, you can do, and you can go down, walk your feet back, walk them in, stand up. So those are your two options, whichever version you want to do, okay? Again, 25 of those. Exercise number 3, 25 explosive squats. So sinking down right to the bottom of the squat as you come up, jump off the floor and try and land into the next squat if you can, okay? Squat down as soon as you can, getting both feet off the floor. Yeah, that's 25 of those as well, okay? 25 explosive squats. Then, number 4, sticking with the number 25, ninja tuck jumps, okay? I'm going to show you the hardest version first and then work it back because this one can get quite tricky, okay? So, you're going to start on your knees. You're going to swing your arms forward and land in the bottom of a squat. From there you're going to jump up into a tuck jump and bring your knees up, okay? So you're going to swing your arms up to the bottom of the squat and then tuck, okay? And that's one, okay? That's the hardest version. If you want to, you can just step your way up until you get to here and then jump, okay? If you're finding that one really difficult, you can use your hands on the floor as well, walk yourself up, tuck jump, or if you can't do the tuck, just one of those explosive squats again at the top, okay? So whatever version you want to do. Then, 50 jumping lunges, okay? Back knee goes down, you jump, switch, okay? 50 in total, so that's 25 on each leg. Then, you're going to do 100 high knees, okay? So you try and get your knee up over your hip, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? So you can even count 50 just on one leg, 100 in total, it's up to you. Then we're halfway through, okay? Then we're bringing it back to 25, we're gonna start getting the core working as well. V-sits on the floor, hands over your heads, legs out in front of you, you're gonna crunch up, touch your toes, and come back down to the floor, okay? 25 V-sits. Then, we're not doing the ninja tuck jump, we're just going to do the tuck jump, okay? So 25, a little bit of a bend in the knee, jump up, tuck, land nice and softly on the balls of your feet, okay? 25 of those. Then 25 explosive star jumps, okay? So you need a little bit of a wider base than you normally would when you star jump when your feet are together. You're going to squat down, you're going to jump out on your star jump, land back in your squat, okay? So jump up nice and high, extend all the way out as you come down, land back in the squat. Again, 25 of those. Get me there. 3 exercises left, okay? Back on the floor again for your abs. 25 leg raises, so both legs come up together. Try and get a right angle with your body. You can put a bit of a bend in your knees, like myself, not too flexible here, so you can have a bit of bend in your knees. Try and get your quads parallel to the floor. Shoulders up off the ground, okay? You can always put your hands under your bum as well if you need to, and if your neck starts to hurt, feel free to put a hand behind you your head, okay? As long as your shoulders are up off the floor, that's the main thing. So, 25 of those, okay? And we've got 2 left. We're gonna go back around to those jumping lunges, 50, okay? But this time, the slight twist. We're doing jumping lunge, then explosive squat. Back round to your jumping lunges, okay? So it's jumping lunge, explosive squat, that's 1, and again, 50, 5-0, okay? Then your last one, 100 double high knees. So with these, you drive one knee up, then the other knee, then you go foot, foot, and that's 1, okay? So it's knee, knee, foot, 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 knee, knee, foot, foot. Yeah? The last one, you're gonna finish off with 100, okay? And then you're done, and then that's it, okay? So like I said, the list of these is gonna be down below, so you can rattle as quick as you can. Do let me know your times, I'm intrigued to find out, okay? Post them down in the comments below. And like I said, give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy the workout, okay? Till next time guys, see you on the next one, stay safe, see you later.